How to find new channels on Telegram. Navigate to your Telegram app. Open up your Telegram app. Then go to the search. You see a search button up here for Android users. I don't know for iPhone how it looks, but for Android you see a search button up there. Then you search for a channel you want to join. Let's see, I want to join Varsel Studios channel. All I have to do is search for Universal Studios. Click to search. These channels are some of Universal Studios channels. You can go into them and see all what they're doing inside. You can just click on any of them and join. Click the join button to join the Telegram channel, and now you're officially a subscriber to this channel.